When we picture a classroom, we often think of a safe space between four walls within a school, with chairs, tables, and a blackboard, with children running around happily and learning, and with a teacher at the front passing on their knowledge. That is unfortunately not the case for many children in Pakistan. Many of them never get the opportunity to receive formal education, but not only that. A lot of them are encouraged by their families to resort to other means and beg on the streets alongside the adults. But there are certain organizations in the country that are trying to change this. The Footpath School is one such institution. Anfas Ali Shah, 3 years ago, she set up her own private school. This school is outside, in between two buildings, on an empty plot of land. Yes, it's exposed to the elements. And yes, you've got people walking across the classroom, random people from the street. But there is something about this school that is just like any other school anywhere in the world. There is that teacher at the front of the classroom. There are the pupils with their textbooks and their pencils. And there is a sense of being together in a community, sharing knowledge. These children that you see now right here, reading their books, filling in textbooks, listening to their teachers attentively. These children used to beg on the streets, day in, day out, alongside their parents. And here they are, still in the heart of the concrete jungle, but this time in an oasis of positivity. The problem is real, and its scale is absolutely overwhelming. But it can also be addressed drastically, radically, and eliminated forever. It all starts with a proper education, with getting these kids from a state of zero knowledge to a state of literacy and numeracy. So now imagine an individual working for positive change and changing the lives of kids for the better. And then imagine that for years, being kicked around from place to place, evicted, criticized, and threatened. But she's still here. She hasn't given up. She's still fighting on ahead. You know, it's real lives we're talking about, and real futures. These kids had nothing. And it's only through this initiative that they're actually getting something that they can build on. The beauty is that anyone can get involved. Through donations, through helping out, through giving books and support to some of these kids, anyone can show up and share one of their skills with these children. Help open up their minds to new perspectives and new opportunities. What you see here may not be a typical classroom, but it's become very clear to me that these kids don't need 4 walls, windows, and a classroom to learn in. They have made this empty plot of land their space of learning.